what most of the public has probably seen in some of these videos is that it has become, dozens on board at one time.
The new policy will continue through March 30th. Meanwhile, Delta Airlines is temporarily banning guns in checked bags on flights that are bound for D.C. It's the latest attempt to address concerns that protesters who stormed the Capitol building last week may return for the inauguration. Delta's CEO says the gun ban is for flights into any Metro D.C. airport. It begins this weekend and continues through next week. The only exception to the gun ban is for law enforcement. 43 degrees and rain and a snow mix is moving in. Let's get the details now from Storm Center 7 meteorologist Jesse Mag.
Yeah, Letitia, this is a massive system, a really strong one as well. So it's pushing a cold front into our neck of the woods right now, but it's bringing a lot of snow to the Midwest and Great Lakes. And you can see that counterclockwise rotation around that L that I have, that low pressure system. This is covering a lot of ground, really strong here for us. What we're seeing, again, is a cold front that's moving in, and that's why we're seeing this transition on live Doppler 7 radar from all rain that I saw about an hour ago to a wintry mix that's starting to move in, because that is literally right there, cold air that's moving in. Let's look at the temperatures, and you can see almost pairing up perfectly, 36 degrees across the board to the west of I-75 here this morning. Temperatures in Dayton are quickly dropping down here as well. It seems like every hour we're down a couple of degrees, so 41 degrees for right now. We are certainly going to see rain with those temperatures, but that's going to be changing as that cold air continues to push our way. Futurecast picking up on this system, continuing to wave throughout the morning hours. The morning commute, not a good one. You're at least going to see wet roads. Perhaps you're going to be driving into a wintry mix at times here this morning. It looks like as we head towards sunrise and shortly after sunrise, when that cold front has fully passed on by, you could see maybe more snow than you're seeing rain, especially in areas like Bellefontaine, Urbana, Springfield, down in Xenia as well. That's right around 8 to 9 o'clock here in the morning. Then that system moving on past us, we should quiet down as far as rain or snow goes towards noon, and then we'll see things cloud back up with the chance for a couple light showers as we head into the afternoon today. So keep an eye on the hour-by-hour forecast. We're going to see these temperatures really drop down over the next couple of hours. We may pick back up towards about 40 degrees for the afternoon. Again, not very active here for the afternoon, but that chance for snow is actually going to return overnight tonight. We're dropping down to 29 degrees and not quite as breezy. Things are settling down a little bit here for us, but we're going to develop that chance for some snow showers, not just tonight, but into tomorrow as well. I think as you head throughout Saturday, most of the day you're really not seeing a whole lot, maybe a couple flurries here or there, but it's late into the afternoon and into the evening hours. We're tracking a chance for what is called a snow squall. Scattered snow showers possible, but you may see a couple of these that kind of have a burst of snow that reduces visibility, something to pay attention to, especially for the evening hours here. So these can be pretty dangerous because they sneak up on you. They're very short-lived, but they're very intense at the same time. That's that heavy snow that will move in. You can kind of see it off in the distance, comes towards you, and it drops that visibility. And at times, if it's strong enough, you can see whiteout conditions. So not a good situation, especially if you're on an interstate or a busy road. Rain and snow chances fairly consistent over the next 5 days. We will see more chances for snow as opposed to rain from Saturday through Tuesday, but that chance is going to decline throughout that time frame as well. 5-day forecast, a winter-like pattern in store for us. Again, a lot of snow chances. It looks like for Saturday, around or even less than a ½ inch of snow. Conditions this morning on the roads are going to deteriorate. Sergeant Mark is keeping an eye on the roads here for us. How are they looking out there right now, Sarge?
Jesse, actually, things are in pretty good shape as far as the actual driving conditions. We've seen a few wet spots. Might even notice that a few wet spots on this camera shot. Looks like there's a little activity here at the Interstate 70 Airport Access Road camera. But as far as travel times, we're still in pretty good shape other than seeing these wet driving conditions in some areas. I'm Sergeant Mark Bauer, WHIO Team Traffic.
520, 43 degrees. Ohio State troopers are cracking down on distracted driving. The area they'll be patrolling to keep drivers safe. Local food pantries are struggling to keep up with demand during this pandemic. The